My name is Rajesh Bhaskar. I am part of Trillion Lines of Code and Consulting. We are a digital transformation company. We provide consulting and solutions for not this one, various industries, including retail, automobiles, and also healthcare. So today I will be talking about how we are providing a digital, what we call a digital transformation for the retail industry. Okay, while we wait for the slides to come up, maybe a quick poll. How many of you are associated with physical retailing, as in like physical stores? Okay, and how many of you are looking at a hybrid of physical and retail, as in physical and online? Okay, a slightly lesser percentage, I think. And how many of you are looking at digital commerce, purely e-commerce? Okay. All right. So what I'm about to present is to talk about how we have physical models which have been around for centuries and the newer digital models that are emerging, and how we are going to look at the future evolving in terms of a digital plus a physical model. This is what I call eyeballs to footfalls. So what we mean by this, okay, let's look at physical stores, right? Basically footfalls drive sales, right? You want people to come into your shop and then be able to purchase. Typically, to do this, you have to go through quite a bit of expensive marketing. If you are not relying purely on location, you are looking at pretty expensive ATL and BTL type of marketing. Maybe you're looking at TV, print, or FM, or so conducting some events, doing some ATL and BTL, and then you're also typically constrained to do your promotions and campaigns, maybe like seasonally, and there are plenty of budgetary constraints and stuff like that, and you deal with all of this stuff. Whereas what has emerged in the digital model is that there is an online solution available which drives eyeballs. Like, there is like millions of eyeballs out there which convert to sales. And if you look at how they are able to target their products to their potential customers, they are able to do this with the help of technology, which is like in terms of data sciences. They are able to identify customer behavior, understand the customer better, and then they are able to target their campaigns and promotions almost on a 24/7 mode, either through investments coming in from FDI or from VC cash burns. So this online model seems to have caught up to such a level that it is being seen as a huge threat to the physical stores. So what we want to talk about is how the mobile provides an ability for the physical stores, okay, to be able to drive footfalls. Okay, so now the model that we are looking at is where both eyeballs and footfalls are driving sales. So a person with a mobile, he is able to, you can target him through the online mode, but then he can walk into, like, examples are like wallets such as Paytm. They are able to walk into your stores and pay for your products using the mobile phone. So it offers a mechanism by which you are able to do a mix of both digital and physical. So now can we look at a model where the physical stores, they have invested heavily in these different types of campaigns. Can we come up with a digital model using mobiles and using sensors and data sciences, which helps them to target the right kind of promotions to the right kind of customers? Is it possible for physical stores to come up with this digital model where within your constrained budget, you are able to target the right kind of customers and also induce them to walk into your stores? And this is where I would like to say, Mehuna, there is a solution that we are launching called Massive. We are piloting this with a few of our customers here, where I'll just give you an example. Let's say you're watching TV, where Arnab Goswami is asking a question, is GST going to launch? Okay, or you're watching National Geographic, where it is about sports, and somebody asks you a question, do you like to go cycling, right? And then there is this ATL media, which is reaching out to you. There are sponsors of this particular program. Maybe Hero Cycles is sponsoring that particular news hour program, okay, or that particular National Geographic program. And then the question that is being asked is, would you like to go on a marathon on a bicycle? All right. So this ATL, we are providing a hook to this particular TV program to go right into your mobile, where this question appears on your mobile, and based on your answer, I am able to actually give you a voucher to go around and buy a bicycle, maybe in your neighborhood shop, neighborhood BSA Cycles or Hero Cycles shop. So this is how we call, what we call our digital model, where we are able to provide footfalls for your neighborhood store, right from something like a TV program or an FM program, or even from various other events and malls and different places, okay, for people to come right into your stores. And in our platform, we provide you the right kind of targeting and the right kind of data to say that if this guy is interested in sports and he lives in Besant Nagar, I want you to give him a voucher. Okay? So this is what we call the digital model, which kind of gives you the advantages of doing a digital campaign for your physical store. So basically, the company that we run is called Trillion Lines of Code and Consulting. What we do is we help organizations transform to the digital world. We are focusing on retail, automobiles, and healthcare in 3 different geographies. Even though we are a startup, we have like a partner network in UK and in Southeast Asia and in Chennai. Currently, we are piloting our retail mobile application, which is massive. Our media partners here in Chennai are in TV and FM channels. We are also, we have some retail partners, but we are also looking for retail partners in FMCG, beauty products, and electronics, jewelry, and apparel. So that is the solution that we are offering. And I'd like to interact with many of you folks who have set up these retail chains, physical stores. And when I see you talking about how e-commerce has become a threat, I'd like to say that there are hybrid models which are evolving. And I am proud to say that the solution that we have produced can be of great help to you as well. Thank you.